Reports reaching Ribi News indicates that the former president of the Republic of Ghana, Right Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings, had died this afternoon at the Cardiothoracic Center of the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital after a short illness. Although the underlying factor to his demise is yet to be certified, it is alleged that he died of COVID-19. It is also reported that his last public appearance was at his mother's funeral a month ago. Ex-President Jerry John Rawlings was the first president to be elected through the ballot after military rule on the ticket of the National Democratic Congress, a party he founded. Mr. Rawlings was born on the 22nd of June 1947 to a Ghanaian mother and a Scottish father. He died at the age of 73, leaving behind beautiful Nana Konadu Agyeman Rawlings, former First Lady and flag bearer of the National Democratic Party, and 4 beautiful children. Ribi News will follow up on the development of the story to bring you a more comprehensive report later.